Most business owners spend hours, sometimes days, just trying to think of social media content ideas. And if that sounds familiar, you're quite literally wasting your time. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can generate 30 high-quality reel ideas in just 60 minutes. Now here's the problem. Most people sit down and guess what their audience wants. Maybe you scroll Instagram, try random AI prompts, or copy competitors just blindly. And guess what? It just doesn't work. Good content that attracts paying customers doesn't happen by accident. It comes from research, real data, and simple systems. If you're guessing, you're literally gambling. And by the end of this video, you'll have a simple, repeatable process to create engaging content consistently. I'll walk you through exactly how we research customer pain points, analyze viral content, and leverage AI the right way to craft 30 real ideas in under an hour. So stick around until the end and I'll give you the exact prompts and scripts that consistently attract customers. Let's get into it. First thing, get clear on your business basics. Who are you, what you sell, who's it for, and the problems you solve. Make this clear enough for a 10-year-old to understand. Put it in a Notion doc or a Google Doc, whatever you want to use. You'll need this for the next steps. Step number 2, customer research. Take around 10 minutes on this. If you have recorded sales calls, perfect. Take like 5 to 6 of them, grab the transcripts and paste them into ChatGPT. And now ask GPT, list the 10 to 15 most common pain points my customers have and highlight repeated ones. Each pain point is now a real idea because it directly answers what your customers are already asking. And if you don't have any transcripts, don't worry about it. Clearly describe your business and ask ChatGPT to describe likely pain points. And let's say if you don't have any transcripts, you're like, Arif, I don't have any sales calls, what do I do next? That's no worries. Clearly describe your business and ask ChatGPT to generate the likely pain points that your customers might be suffering or are definitely suffering. You can, of course, do a lot of research on this, and then I'm confident you'll be able to have a big list of pain points by the end of that research. Go deeper and get specific. Step number 3, analyze. Go to TikTok and Instagram and type your niche. And at the top, this could be like real estate, coaching, whatever it is. You're looking for videos with high views, but a low follower count. That's proof it went viral organically. And save 10 to 15 videos like those, because these are proven concepts you can adapt. Don't look into ideas where a page has 5 million followers and they got 100,000 view reel. That's not a viral reel. That's just their audience watching it. They could literally post the same video as you, but the only difference would be their videos are going to get more views because they just have a larger database. If a person has lower followers but a higher view count, so for example, let's say it's a 5,000 follower page but it has 1 million views, that means that idea specifically clearly did well organically. Step number 4. Now once you have those videos, what I want you to do is just take these viral videos and paste their transcripts, the video transcripts or descriptions into ChatGPT and use a clear prompt. This is my business and offer. Rewrite these viral videos in my voice, changing only 10 to 15%. And this is to avoid plagiarism. You don't want to blatantly copy people's other content. And keep a casual tone. You need to make sure that you give these instructions to your AI. Now you have another 10 to 15 proven real ideas tailored towards you. And now step 5 is for each pain point or idea you've generated, write 3 to 4 quick bullet points on how you'd answer or solve that issue. Put those points into ChatGPT again, asking it to format them into a clear scripts with a good hook, value, and a call to action. And keep the language casual, simple, and direct. And these bullet points, I highly recommend you write it yourself. And just by doing this, you now have 30 high quality, ready to shoot real ideas in less than 60 minutes. And just by doing this, within literally 60 minutes, you have 30 high quality, high engaging videos literally done. And that's the formula. Like, it's simple, it's fast, and it works every single time. Because scripting is literally the make or break part of your content game. Get this right and everything else becomes way easier. And if you need help putting this into action, there's a Calendly link in the description. Just click that, book a call, and I can walk you through the exact steps and exactly how we help other businesses like yours create consistent content that attracts real customers. And we'll even handle other aspects for you like recording, publishing, editing, all of that. We also do offer advertising as well, but that's something of course we'll discuss later on too. But other than that, don't just watch this today. I actually want you to implement it today, because while you're thinking about it, your competitors are already doing it. My goal on the channel is to do only 2 things, either make you money or save you money in the marketing and content realm. So again, if you like content like this, just make sure to hit the subscribe button and also give it a like, because it does help YouTube recommending it to more people just as yourself who need help within the same topic. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you next week.